the strangest feeling to know what to believe in. Cause every time you touch me, I can't control my body. Oh, baby.
Hello and welcome to my channel. It is Nicole the Pisces Queen coming from Texas. So what's up? What's up? What's up? Anyways, in today's video, I bought a box from Dana, and it is a company called crap. I don't know what the name of this company. Brianna, what's the name of this company? You don't know?
What?
The name of the company I bought my clothes from. Hold on. Okay, I should do my research before I do videos, right? But anyways, I have bought a box from Dana and Co, and I will put the link below to their box. And it is a box, you know, I've told y'all before that I'm not a very good person to dress myself. What? You're so rude. You see I'm talking? Rude. So, if I was really interrupted by my child, I bought a box from Dana and Cowl, and they sent me a box because I'm not a very good dresser. I don't know how to dress myself. So I said, why not try this box? Well, they give you clothes to try before you buy, and they pick the clothes for you after you go through a little survey of how you like to dress or what you like to wear. So I did that. They sent me 4 items, 2 pants, a dress, and 2 shirts, 5 items. And I tried them on. I will show you what it looked like when I tried it on, and I will tell you about how much they cost and what are they called. So let's get into the video. Okay, so first is a black dress. A black dress, and it is size 24. And I bought, and it's $53.40. It's called a City Chick Urban Child dress, and I like it. I'm not a dress person, but I think it looks really cute, and it's loose and it feels comfortable. So you can wear it with some tights. I mean, I would wear it with some tights or not. I'm not a big fan of my legs, so I probably wouldn't wear it without tights, but I like it. Yeah, I'll wear it again. I'm wearing it right now. Don't worry about the stain. But I'm wearing it right now, so I do love it. Next, we have the like cotton shirt with like a ruffle type collar. I think it's cute and it's very comfortable. Very comfortable. I like the back of it as well. I think that's unique. Like, I've never really seen a shirt like that before. I'm not a dresser, so I wouldn't know. But I think it's cute. I like it, but I wouldn't keep it because I live in Texas and it's not always cold here. It's hot all the time. Like right now, it's hot. It's hot outside. And this dress is, did you go outside? Yes. And this shirt is, this shirt is called the Avenue Button Cowl Neck Top Black. It's a size 22, 24, and it's $36.85. I think it's nice, but not for that price. Okay, so the next shirt is, oh gosh, hold on. The next shirt is called the East Airline Brianna print blouse, coral/teal, and a size 3X, and it is $52 even. I've got to tell you, I'm not a fan of this shirt. I do not like colors. That's just like in my shirt. I mean, in my clothes. I don't like. Is it? I don't like colors in my clothes. I don't like the shirt. I feel like that's like for an older person, not my style. If Nicolette don't stop texting me. Anyways. So also with the shirt that I don't like, I have on the blue jean pants. That's it's called the Myra Sky Kristen rolled up skinny jeans, medium wash, size 24, and they are $59. Which I love these pants, but I have pants like this already, so I decided not to keep these pants as well. And last but not least, I got the black jeans, the stretchy, and they are called the STS Blue Ella High Ella High Rise Skinny Jeans in black, size 24, and they are $59 even. I decided to keep these pants. They are very comfortable and they look great on me. You know, I love jeans, period. I love t-shirt and jeans. The shirt I got on right now is just a regular shirt. Never mind it. It's not even cute anymore. But anyway, jeans are fire. I love those jeans. So I decided to keep that. So just to tell you a little bit more about this, you send $20. You go online, you answer the survey, you give $20 to start, and they'll send you a box. It took about 3 to 4 business days. I got the box. It's pretty nice. It's nicely wrapped up, folded. Everything's nice. Everything has a tag on it, but it doesn't have a price. But it comes with a little paper that tells you about what it is and the price. And you got 5 days to, you know, go through the box, see what you like and what you don't. And they send you all the bags to send it back in. And you send it back whenever you don't want. So I decided to get a box every other month. So I would get another box and I would do a review on that. So far, I like 2 of the items. 2 of the items, the pants and the dress. And so once I get a new box, I'll make another video. But in all of my overall experience for the first time is I really like the choice of clothes they picked out, but I did not like the shirt. I did say I wanted to try it. I tried it and I did not like it. So therefore, I've already told them that I don't like that shirt. I don't want another shirt like that ever again in my life. Please don't send that to me. I don't want to wear it. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was short, but it was a much needed video because I need some clothes. My kids look better than I do when they go out. Like, it'd be like, what? But you know how we are as moms. You know, I would spend thousands of dollars on my kids and barely would spend money on me. See, I could have bought those pants, but I didn't want to pay $59 for those pants when I could buy it cheaper somewhere else. I'm just saying, it's for me. You know, like, really. Anyway, this is the end of the video. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. And if you are already subscribed, you already know you are the real MVP. These two ruining my video. Per usual. I heard you talking in the video, Tara. Talking in the video. Brittany, what are you doing? Brittany, look at me. Look. Brittany, look. You don't want to use shamed? Because you ruined my video? You ruined it. Your voice all over it. We can't even hear me talk. Look at mommy. Look at that. Shame. These two, I tell you. These two.
Okay, so Dia's quiz is amazing. It helps me find like new and fresh styles just to go out or just to chill at home, and I never ever have to worry about fitting their sizes because all of their boxes fit me across the board no matter what brand I get them from. So I just think they get me, and I think it's a great way to find a new style.